Hi, I'm Robin Higgins, and this is miscible versus immiscible liquids. So, in chemistry, what does miscible mean? Well, if two chemicals are miscible, it means that you can combine two amounts of them, and no matter what, they will completely mix, and they'll just form one homogeneous solution. So, no matter what, there's not going to be any chunks, there's not going to be any particles floating around, there's not going to be certain layers that are heavier, they just completely mix. So to think about that, let's look at two chemicals, ethanol and water. So ethanol is the alcohol that we usually drink. And so you can really picture anything, just picture a bottle of vodka and you have rum and you have a whiskey, it doesn't matter. They're all ethanol. And so we know how those properties are. And then water. And so if you have a cup and you have water, and for whatever reason you want to add a little bit of ethanol to it, these will, at first, it kind of looks oily. You can see they're mixing. But over time, it will completely mix. And you won't be able to see any differences. It'll just be completely miscible. So this is an example of two liquids that are completely miscible. And now let's take a look at something that's immiscible or not miscible. So let's take water and oil. So any type of cooking oil will do. So you can imagine if we had our water and then we added our oil on top and we stirred and we heated it and we waited and we did whatever we wanted to, it really doesn't matter. Because at the end of the day, you would still have two layers. And they won't mix. So these are completely immiscible. And that's the difference, whether or not you can add two liquids together and they keep their own layers and they look different, or they mix into one and you could never tell that you had two things in the first place. I'm Robin Higgins, and this has been Miscible versus Immiscible Liquids.